black color.
Yeah, boy.
So hey guys, what's up? So as you've seen in the thumbnail, today we will create this build, guys, and you know what it is, guys, it's actually Aero Pegasus. Looks like, guys, finally Pegasus is back in X with a new look. Well, it's not actually a Pegasus remake because we have already seen a Pegasus remake, you know, it's from Pegasus Beyblade, but this one is different, as you can see in the video. And well, you can't buy this one because you have to win this one. You have to use the Beyblade X app to get this Beyblade, guys, because it's a limited edition rare Pegasus Beyblade. So that is why, guys, it's very special for me. So I'm going to make it, guys. I'm going to use it by just creating this Beyblade. I know, guys, this Beyblade is out of my range because I haven't bought any Takatomi Beyblade yet, but still I'm going to make this one. So let's see how it goes. Let's get started. Oh, sorry. Okay everyone, here I have the Ratchet 3. So let's just quickly prepare the Ratchet 370, which comes with Aero Pegasus. Okay everyone, I'm done preparing all the templates of Aero Pegasus, the Ratchet part and also the layer blade as well. Okay, now let's just quickly prepare the bit, but before that we have to do some cutting, you know. So let's just quickly do that. I used to do this a lot when I was in school with this type of pens which has switched like this. Very satisfying sound. Oh yeah. What? Okay, let's just quickly add some shininess on our Aero Pegasus. Let's go. Yeah guys, it's advised don't use too much Fevicol glue, otherwise your template will get worse than before because these are printed colors. So that is why you have to add as much lazy you can on the template like I'm doing in the video right now. So let me just quickly keep it here and let me just quickly place my hot iron and let's just wait for 10 minutes and then we will see the result. Okay, finally guys, we are done cutting all the templates of Aero. Okay, it's been more than 10 minutes, so let's just give a good look on our Aero Pegasus and look at that, looking much more shiny than before. Okay, not bad guys, look at that, much more colorful. Okay guys, here's all the cardboard templates of Aero Pegasus and here's the real template of Aero Pegasus. Now let's just quickly create this new looking, absolute amazing looking Beyblade Aero Pegasus. Let's get started. Okay, last piece of Aero Pegasus template. Seriously guys, this is actually more than 3 years of this YouTube channel and still I'm using soldering iron and hot glue gun and also hot iron to create cardboard Beyblades, and I always will be in future.
Samaria.
Okay, the ratchet is also done, but still we are not done yet guys. We have to do the shaping because now the base is just looking like a piece of cardboard Beyblade, but still you have to make it a little bit real like the real one. enough. Okay guys, now if you give a good look on the Beyblade layer plate, you can clearly see guys, now all the cardboard pieces are lined up with the layer template, and now the base is looking absolutely much more accurate like the real one. Still it's a cardboard blade, but still, you know, I tried my best to make it look realistic from the front side, as you can see. So that is why you have to use a soldering iron if you really want your Beyblade layer plate to look much more accurate like the real one.
Samaria.
Okay, now the ratchet is also shaped, as you can see. Now the ratchet is looking much more accurate, almost like the real one, but still you have to add some colors at the end. So okay guys, here's the layer blade and also the ratchet 370. But as you know guys, it's a Pegasus Beyblade, and you know guys, Pegasus really has 3D look, so I'm also going to add this on the Aero Pegasus Beyblade. You just have to push the wings upside like this using your finger. Just use your thumb and just push it from the bottom and just do like this. And here's the 3D look of Aero Pegasus. Yep, cardboard Beyblades with 3D looks absolutely looks much more accurate like the real one. Wow, it's very important to use super glue guys. Make sure to use it guys if you have super glue. It will make your cardboard Beyblades much more stronger like the real one. It will turn the cardboards into solid metal almost. Anyway,
ठीक है समरिया.
You can also add some inside the layer blade in the launcher hooks. Okay, fully smooth and straight. Okay everyone, now for the exhale blade. अरे भाई bleed क्या ना? Here we go, the exhale bit is on the way. हाथ में मत चिपक भाई, super glue. Okay, let me see if all the parts fully assembles properly or not. Let's see. अरे यार. Well guys, I'm really actually using light blue color as you can see here, but it's actually looking like I'm using green color. I have no idea why. I think it's because of the color of the cardboard. Anyway, let's just quickly color our new Aero Pegasus for a much more better look. Okay guys, finally it's ready. Our new crafted Aero Pegasus Beyblade with the 370 ratchet and also with the exhale bait that first came with Drone Buster. Look at that guys, our Aero Pegasus, which is a very rare Beyblade for sure. You have to win this Beyblade by using the Beyblade X app and using the Beyblade X points. Okay, so let's just quickly assemble our new Aero Pegasus guys. I'm very excited to use this in the stadium. Let's go. I know guys, the Excel bit is not looking accurate like the real one, but I have no other choice guys, I had to use this. But still it's a cardboard bag guys, so nothing I can expect from a cardboard bag like the real one. And here we go guys, as you can see, assembled fully properly, and here's our Aero Pegasus fully assembled with the 370 ratchet and also with the Excel bit. Look at that guys, from the front side absolutely looking amazing, and also from the back side fully purple and blue. Wow, Aero Pegasus. Okay, Aero Pegasus, let's go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. अरे भाई अटक क्यों गया भाई? 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh wow, such a nice extreme dash from Aero Pegasus. Wow, you have to like this video guys for this amazing looking extreme dash. Okay, Aero Pegasus versus Phoenix Rudder. Well, Phoenix Rudder is actually thicker than Aero Pegasus, but still won this one. Aero Pegasus. Oh wow, one hit and finished. Okay, Aero Pegasus versus Cobalt Dragoon. Oh shoot!
Do it! Cheen tabak dum dum.